Healthy juice recipes for energy and wellness. Boost your morning with nutrient-packed bliss. Here are 3 healthy morning juice recipes that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. These juice recipes are not only delicious, but also provide a burst of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to energize your mornings. Feel free to adjust the ingredients based on your taste preferences, and enjoy these nutritious concoctions as part of your morning routine. 1. Green Goodness Detox Juice. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 2 celery stalks, 1 green apple, handful of spinach leaves, 1 lemon, peeled, 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled, 1 cup of coconut water. Instructions: 1. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly. 2. Cut them into smaller pieces for easier juicing. 3. Juice the cucumber, celery, green apple, spinach, lemon, and ginger. 4. Add coconut water to the juice and stir well. 5. Pour over ice and enjoy the refreshing green goodness. 2. Citrus Carrot Immunity Booster. Ingredients: 4 large carrots, 2 oranges, peeled, 1 lemon, peeled, 1-inch piece of turmeric, peeled, 1 small nub of fresh ginger, peeled, 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Wash and peel the carrots, oranges, lemon, turmeric, and ginger. 2. Cut into manageable pieces for juicing. 3. Juice the carrots, oranges, lemon, turmeric, and ginger. 4. Stir in honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. 5. Pour into a glass and savor the citrusy immunity booster. 3. Berry Blast Antioxidant Juice. Ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 orange, peeled, 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks, handful of kale leaves, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, optional, 1 cup of water or coconut water. Instructions: 1. Rinse the berries, orange, and kale leaves. 2. Peel and section the orange. 3. Juice the berries, orange, pineapple, and kale. 4. If using, stir in chia seeds for added texture and nutrition. 5. Mix well, pour into a glass, and relish the vibrant berry blast. 4. Tropical Sunrise Energizing Juice. Ingredients: 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 ripe mango, peeled and diced, 1 banana, 1/2 cup of coconut water, handful of mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, optional. Instructions: 1. Peel and dice the mango. 2. Cut the pineapple into chunks. 3. Peel the banana. 4. Juice the pineapple, mango, and banana together. 5. Add coconut water to the juice for a tropical twist. 6. Stir in fresh mint leaves for a burst of freshness. 7. Optionally, add flax seeds for an omega-3 boost. 8. Mix well, pour into a glass, and savor the tropical sunrise flavors. These recipes not only tantalize your taste buds, but also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to kickstart your day with vitality. Embrace the goodness of natural ingredients and elevate your mornings with these delicious and healthful juice options. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.